everyone, this is Tina from Ortur.
Good morning, everyone. This is Paul from Ortur.
Yes, and it's time to see you again, right?
Yes, another new week.
Yes.
So for today, we're gonna do some different thing from last week because we
Yes,
know
right.
last week we made some, ta-da, yes.
Yeah, this is about the main work for our last week, as you can see. Because this all right here about light,
Yes,
so maybe
yes.
it's not that too much clear to see this one. But when I turn off the light, you will find okay, this is off light, right?
Yes.
And okay, let me try again to turn on the lights. Yes, you can see. So when you go to some like the bar or some you at the night you go out for some shopping and some like the store, right?
Yes.
So this is will be excellent so part of the working for the decoration or as the light box for advertisement or something, right?
Yes, and it is kind easy to make such thing because
Yeah,
you
right.
only need to use our machine to cut and cover of this light box and just use several sticks to combine them together.
Yes, and this kind of the LED light strip is quite easy. You can buy and
It's kind of everywhere.
yeah, but I think the most hard part is the about the you have to use to get the design file and
Yes.
have to make it to cut to like this shape, right?
Yeah, that's why we teach our audience
Yes,
for
right.
last week. So if you're interested, you can go back and see our past live stream. And for this week, some of you must know that from the title, from the thing that I am holding.
Yes, right. So what this week?
Yeah, this is for ceramic. Tina, do you remember the week before last week, we did some material tests, right?
Yes, I remember actually we did some materials about like for the ceramic, right?
Yes.
But for this week, we're going to try more for this material.
Yes, for that time, we tried some ceramic that is no color
Yes.
or the color is spray on the surface. But right now, today, we're gonna try some ceramic that the color was go out with the ceramic itself. It is not print, it is not covered, it is born on its body. So we want to see what's the difference between cover and color paper or yes, original color. So for this week, we're gonna try this. So if you're interested, keep watching, focusing on our live stream and wait for the little surprise on the end.
Yes, what's the surprise for today?
Yeah, we will have a lucky draw of one set of Y accessory roller 2.0, and it is totally free, right? You don't have to pay the mail bill or any other kind of. So keep watching and waiting for the little lucky draw.
Yes, right.
So for today's live stream, we will use several material like this ceramic bowl or this ceramic mark. But this is plain white one, so we may try this black one.
Color, right?
Yeah, we will try this black one. So if time is okay, we want to use this Y accessory Rolly Chuck, our old friend. So better not wasting time. Let's get started. So first, let us try this little thing. So it's kind of dusty, so I'm just use the napkin, wipe it, and whoa.
The first project you're going to engraving
yes.
some kind of the ceramic. It's like board, small board, right?
Yes, because we've already got one plate, right? So we want to see the difference.
Okay, and one more, the biggest difference is about the color. This is original with the blue color here, so that's why we don't need use any other paper sheets to color paper sheets to help us to do this one, right?
Yes, and let's have a guess. What speed do we need to use?
I think about hundreds.
Hundreds, yes. Right? So yeah, I think 500 is okay. Yes. So this time, why not try this cute little whale? I think this is okay.
Okay, this is another animal, right? And
yes.
Elsa, please show the small camera for
this. Yes, for the Lightburn, we are doing the measuring thing.
Yes, right.
So we want this thing inside of this bowl. So we want to know what's the size, and let us see.
I think it's like about 5 to 5.
Okay, it's 60.
6.
Yeah, about 60 millimeters. Its
Yes, but you
longitude.
cannot over this size. So I think maybe less than 5.
Yeah, maybe 58 or 7. I think it is okay. So
There's something is working on live stream.
yeah, so you can see here, you can adjust the statistics of this picture, and there's a log of it. If the log is on, the picture will adjust the longitude and width with itself.
And bigger this camera.
Yes, yes, you can see here. So here, so I want to change it to maybe 58. Now you see, ta-da, the height will change together. So, but if I unlock this lock, you see I can change this picture freely. So that's one tip while you're using the Lightburn.
You're sure the size is okay for the 58 because this is around, but that's why it's square. So if you go the frame, it will over the border for this side.
Oh yes, thank you for
so that means
yes,
why
reminding me.
you less than 15 millimeter.
Yes, maybe 50. Yes, thank you, Tina. Okay, so let's lock this thing, and ta-da, it is okay to the right size. I think it is okay. So here we already got this picture you see here, and here the cuts and the layer, you can change the statistics. Now we are seeing they are using the speed of 20,000 and the power is maximum power.
Yeah, but for today we're gonna only try to engraving for the ceramics. For our Ortur Master3 maximum speed, it can top to the 20,000 millimeter per minute, but right?
Yes.
But according to the different material, we cannot use such high speed, right?
Yes, it is obvious that we do not use that high speed, and we just always use 5 to 600 to engrave and ceramic. So you see here, this is the speed thing, and this is the maximum power. And here you can change the setting of this picture. So Tina, I think you should make the the orange layer, take off the orange layer, and yeah, move the metal thing because it will move this bowl while moving.
This also?
Yes, also. We do not use air pump today. Okay, you see here, and there. This is about the quality of this picture, and let's check. Okay, so here we've got this picture, and let us see how many times we're gonna use. Okay, 44 minutes. That is quite long. So for today's live stream, maybe it is too long. So I think we can make the quality a little bit less. So now let us see. Yes, 22 minutes. That is acceptable. So here you can see the okay, excuse me. You can see the statistics we just setting. Here, 1 pass 0.1, and here the speed of 500, the maximum power 100. 100. That is all okay. So my partner Tina already helped me checking the focus. So, okay, would you please small the 3 camera now? Yes, to the, yeah, a little bit small. Let our audience see here. So that is okay. And now you see my partner just moved this module like here. Yes. It moved this orange layer. That is because while the laser module moving, the ball has a curved edge. It may just push this ball away. So yeah, so we just move it off.
Yes, so sometimes that's why we need to remove the outside orange part for this chair. So that will be better when you're gonna to do engraving in this area and this border, and it will not crush on with our laser module, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So here, okay. Oh, a little bit.
Make sure the cable and power.
Yes, my fault. So that is why that is what it calls when it has find the power is not the right thing. It's one of our safety measures we've already introduced.
Here.
Okay, here.
So you already select the picture we're going to engraving on, and the speed already set down, right?
Yeah, here you can choose your devices. See here. Okay. I think the cable is not on.
This one, check the plug here is tightened or not loosened.
Okay, wait a minute just. Okay, now it is okay. I think it's something wrong on the USB cable. So every time before you're using it, check the cable, check the power, and check the safety lock here.
Yes.
By the way, sometimes we press this emergency button and we forgot to plug it up, and it will assume alert. So yes, don't do that. So here we've already got every setting. So okay, let this module go home and check the frame. So I choose the start point that is the right position. So I'm just gonna move it here. And here is the moving setting. I wanted this to set fine. You can see here. Yeah, can you see this little blue spot here? That is the that is what will happen if I check the fire thing, and you can check your start point very clear. So let us see if it is okay. I think it needs a little bit upward.
Maybe the picture is here, maybe bigger, maybe smaller will be better.
Okay, I think, yeah, that is okay. So maybe change it to 4 or 5.
Yes.
Okay. And maybe we can slow the speed, let it to maybe 5,000 to see more clearly.
Okay. So it looks better for the size for this small board.
Yeah. I think it's okay. The position is okay. So let's go back to the Lightburn. See here, we've already checked this scene. Here, this is the frame. And here we're gonna check this start. But before we start, yes, thank you, Tina. Before we start our operation, remember to wear a protection goggle. So the orange layer, you can see it is the same material. This is the first step to protect your eyes, and this is the most important one.
Right.
So let's wear goggles and check it once more. The statistics, okay, 500, 100, 1 pass, 0.1, all okay. Yes, let's click start. Okay.
So now I can move the small camera to this side.
Yes, I think we can let our audience see what's going on in our machine. And while our machine working, and let us introduce our machine to our audience, because some new friends may do not know what machine we are using right now.
Yes.
So here, we are from Ortur. This machine is from Ortur too. This is the Ortur Laser Master3 that we call it the OLM3 for short. And we just showed one of the safety measures, right? The power go wrong, it assume alert. That is the one. That is one safety measure. But I will talk it later. Let us see this machine first. Its engraving area is 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters, and you can see it is quite big. And I think it is enough if you are using it for small business or you're just a handcraft lover. So, but if you got bigger needs, because sometimes we want to engrave a bigger thing, maybe a dog's house, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that is kind of big. So, how can we make that?
We have the extension plate for you.
Yes, very Yes, very okay. We got one extension case, one accessory called the extension case.
Yes, right.
Yeah, it's like the name. It can extend the engraving area from 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters to 400 millimeters by 850 millimeters. So
Yes, right.
more than double.
Yes, more
So
than double.
with that thing, you can engrave longer thing. You can engrave many more things in one time. So that is quite convenient and time saving. So that's for the engraving area, and our speed, we've already mentioned that its maximum speed can reach 20,000 millimeters per minute. That is quite fast. You can change the speed due to the material you're going to do engraving, right? Like this ceramic bowl, we choose the speed of 500.
Yes, but actually for some speeder like the paper or engraving, some such kind of the grayscale.
Yeah, the
we have
grayscale.
to use a high speeder to do this one.
Yeah, here are so many examples. Like for this Eiffel Tower, we use the speed of 20,000. For this ceramic, we use the speed of 300. Yes.
Quite different.
Quite different.
About the material is different, and you're going to do because this one is there is no engraving, only the
Cutting.
so that's why the speed is quite lower.
Yes.
This one.
Even one same material, due to the aim that you're gonna use, maybe cut or maybe engrave, the speed is different because like for plywood, right?
Yes.
For plywood, we use the speed of maybe 12,000, 10,000 to do the engraving thing. But if we want to cut the plywood, we always use the speed of 300. So that depends on the aim or the results you want to get.
Yes, right?
Yeah, so that's the engraving speed. And with our 10-watt laser module, it is really powerful. It is really fast. So what's more we want to talk about is the connection ways.
Yes.
Yeah, our machine is really smart. That depends on its connection ways. We can use TF cards. We can use the USB connection, which we are using today. Use the USB connection cable to connect our computer. And by the way, on computer, we always use the Lightburn or the LightGBL, such software to control our laser machine. We are using the Lightburn right now, right? So our audience just saw the surface. I want to mention mostly important is the Wi-Fi connection. So Wi-Fi, how you can see the wire here, the Wi-Fi wire here. So that means you can use your phone or your tablet and or other smart devices to connect our laser machine. That is really smart. That means you can use your phone to connect it by using the the application called the Laser Explorer. So we've got time. Maybe after we finish introducing this machine, I will show the surface of the application to our audience. So don't worry, it is available both on App Store and Google Play Store.
Yes.
So that means not whether you are Android users or iOS users, they are all okay. And it is also available on iPad. So don't worry, you can find it every devices,
Yes,
smart
right.
devices. Yes. So that's for the connection way. And we mentioned there are 7 safety measures, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we've already see one as alert, assuming. So that is one of the safety measure. We still have the movement detection, the laser explosion and duration detection, the voltage and current monitoring, which is just right now. So, and we still have 2, oh, sorry, I forgot one thing. Yeah, that is quite important because we have so many ways to connect it.
Yes,
So it
sure.
is really important to find if it's wrong through the connection. So the connection detection is very important though. And our
right.
Ultra Laser Master3 got that. And not only about this, here there are 2 safety measures lying here. You see this red button, this is the emergency stop button. You can know the function right through the name. One press, every function stop.
Yes, right.
Yeah, next to it is the safety lock. It is a lock and with a key.
Yes, with the key, basically the key to
see
turn
here?
on or turn off the laser machine.
Yeah, it will lock this machine and other people without key,
It cannot use the laser machine.
yes, they cannot use it. So it's quite convenient. I think it's really smart design.
And they're so private, safe.
Yes, so we also it's a way to protect people beside you because you think you are the one on this machine. You know the harmful laser. You know how to use it, but other people may do not
Maybe
know.
have no idea about
Yeah, they may not know. They may even not know if this is a laser machine. So it is quite dangerous. That's why we always concern about your safety. We concern not only about the function of this machine, we also concern about your safety during using it. We would want to see that happen. That's why we also wear these goggles and these orange layers, all for your health. So that's the brief introduction of the Ortur Laser Master 3. Hope you know much about this. If you still want more information or think this brief introduction is not enough, you can always ask our sales to send you a more specific introduction, right? And also you can check our official channel. There are so many videos that shows the function, shows the work. So if you are still, if you are interested enough, we can also invite you to our Facebook group. Here, there are so many masters there, and they share their imagination, share their works every day. So that it is very interesting. So you can see the link on the comment area. Click that for more information, that is okay. Or you want to know more projects except only the Master 3, you can also ask us to introduce it. You only need to type your question to the comment area. So don't be shy. Talk everything you want. And I think, yeah, you can see here, we've already seen the two waves. Yeah, it is quite clear, right?
Yes. How long it will take for this?
It still needs 9 minutes. So it's kind of, kind of faster though. So, and if the time is okay, we will use this thing to engrave and mark. So what is this?
Y-axis rotary chair.
Yes. So for today's lucky draw, we will send a Y-axis roller right here, there. Yes, the roller. So
this will be today or the
the gift.
Gifter.
But
if you are here and maybe you will be with the chance opportunity to get this one for free.
Yes, but for today we are not using that. We are using this accessory rolling chuck because that is because of the function of these two accessories is not the same. You see this mark ball. It looks like a regular shape, but it is with an angle.
Yes, a little bit
yeah, it's not like quite flat. Yeah. So if we use the Y accessory roller and the surface is just not on the right position. Yeah. So we still need to use the Y accessory roller chuck to hold it to make sure the surface is okay. So you can see here there's a claw here and it will just catch this thing if I tighten the screw.
It's quite easy to do some kind of the engraving for the mark or photos or some irregular shape of the roller things. And
you see it will spin with this machine. So while this machine is still working, let me do some adjustment to this machine. So you see, right now, I'm just let this claw to hold it firmly, and I will use these little two sticks. Oh, by the way, if you order the Y accessory roller chuck, you will get 1 box of this tool. Yes. So you see, I will use these little two sticks. Stick on the hole there.
To make it tighten, right?
Yeah, tighten the claw to make sure it won't fall down. Okay, let's see. Wow, quite firm. So that is the, now we've already finished the catching thing. So by the way, it can change the angle though.
That's right.
Okay, thank you, Tina. So see, if I want to engrave the bottom, so it is okay. But if you're engraving the bottom, you do not need YRC, right? So another thing I need to do is, you see here is not the flat, but I want to make sure it is on the right position. That's why we need this.
The mini lever.
You see? So I just put it here. You can see maybe not. Yeah, let me place this.
Hold this for you. Okay.
Okay, I think this, yeah, here. You see, the little bubble was not on the middle, so I'm just let it. Okay, you see here? Now it's on the middle.
Yeah, this mini bubble here.
So I just need, yeah, see, Tina, here. Yes. Okay. Now I'm just tighten the screw to make sure it will stay on this level firmly.
Yes, right.
Okay, now you see it is really okay.
So that's why we're going to need this kind of small things. It's called the mini lever, right?
Yeah.
Make sure if you're going to do engraving for this area, so how you can make sure this is on the lever, right?
Yes.
So use this mini lever to just put on this area you want to do the engraving here, and use it to check while it's.
Okay, see here, it's on the middle.
Yes, make sure the bubble is on the
middle square. Yeah, we've got
middle.
to, okay, maybe a little bit down.
First one more says where you need to comfort. You want to engraving or here or here or
Yes.
here.
So
right? You want to engrave on the middle, right?
yes.
So I just put the mini lever on the middle of the mark here, and then we can do some small little bit adjust for the little bit angle for this one. So this is this area for this part. We're going to do the engraving here, and we use the mini lever to measure for that one. Make sure the mini lever. Sorry.
It is, don't
Make
worry.
sure the mini bubble is on the middle of the mini lever. Okay.
Yes.
So that's where we can confirm. For this surface is on the lever now.
Yes. Right? Okay, so we finished this setting, and let us go back to the little bowl. I think it did a really good job, and I think we still need 4 minutes. So let's keep continuing adjusting this. So here you can see this mark was stabled, and it will spin with this claw.
I have plenty of the rollers. I would much rather than to get a check there. And check there is much better to use on the most things. Yes, right? Okay.
So yes, and that is a really good point, because for the rotary roller, it can just doing engraving thing on the regular shape, maybe some raw things, cylinders, or some like stick. But for chuck, it can do more than the roller. It's a little more complicated to do the setting, but it can do catching, it can do holding, it can hold many things, maybe all like this irregular shape wine cup, wine glass, or some, maybe that is not typical. This one is more typical. See? Yeah. Yes, if I place it on the white accessory roller, it will just, yes, it's not on the surface. So that's why we need this white accessory roller chuck. You can just handle this like what I am showing, right? Now make sure it is like this, or you can hold the bottom and tie it up, and now it is the surface. And while spinning, the surface won't change, and your picture will get very beautiful. So that's for the okay, excuse me. That's for the wax accessory roller chuck. So if the time is okay, I think it is okay. But maybe we cannot engrave a bigger picture. Maybe try some smaller one. So let us check how many time we gonna still use. Okay. 2 minutes.
To finish soon, it's almost done. Just at the top head of the well.
Okay, this is 2 minutes. So let us see the difference. Yes, we've already made one sample. Yeah. Yes. So here, let me show the difference between you. So it is kind of different between these two things you see here. For this bowl, this plate, if you are an old friend of our live stream, you may know this one. For the week before last week, we made this, and it is a white plate, and it is not easy to do engraving work on. We just covered a color paper, and after that do the engraving thing. So now you see, if I do not use my finger to touch it, it's kind of like it's not kind of like engraved. It's kind of like printed on it, but it only looks like print. If I just use my finger to scratch it, the color won't fall off. But for this bowl is original blue. So if I do the engraving thing, you see, it is really easy to see it as engraved. But if the inner side, it may be a little bit hard to see, but ta-da, we made a, yes, we made a sample on the bottom. You see here, this tree is really easy to see as an engraved surface. So these two textures is kind of different. That's due to the which texture you love most, and you can always choose the same cover and color paper, or use the original color. So that's for the two.
We do engraving for the white ceramic, and I still recommend you have to better to use the dark color to spray for the surface, and then you use our laser machine to do the engraving work, and that will be better directed to engraving, right?
Yeah, it's kind of like this plate. This plate is not original green, and it is covered with green spray. Yeah. So we can do engraving on the surface.
Yes, right. But for Ortur, and one more thing is you can spray on different color. Like before you use the color paper sheet stick on the surface, and after you engraving, do not remove first. You can use the red color or some other color you like to get the spray on the surface. So that's why, as you can see here, for this white mark and with the red heart, because actually we don't have the red color of the color paper sheet, right?
Yes.
But we have the color spraying of this color. So after we finish the engraving this one, we use the color spraying to get on the red color for this area.
Both color spray or the color paper, they are trying to make dark color on white surface.
Yes, right.
Yes. So here we see this well. Okay, it is quite dusty on the surface. Maybe I will just wipe it off. You see, this kind of dusty though.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. Maybe you use two slower speed, and you almost engraving this. It's a ceramics layer, right?
Okay. Oh, I got this because you see it is original blue. So guys, this is the well bowl. So I'm using the speed that is too fast, so the picture just won't fall off. You see this piece, this color is a little bit darker, so it just move off. Other place it is not so dark enough, so it won't move off. That is why we always need to do test. Maybe this time we will try the speed of maybe 300.
Yeah.
So like for this, yeah, because this one I tested a long time, I chose the speed of 500, and maybe this one is more darker, so it is okay. So that's why we always commend you guys to do tests before you really do the engraving thing.
Yes, but I think maybe 1,000 for this this kind of the ceramic is also okay.
So you see, it is really okay, and you see even on the side, we made this. You see here.
No matter anyway, here is yes, you are right. Only because for today we have another microphone we lost and we still not find it where it is. So here for today, only one microphone for my partner here.
So sorry about this sound. Maybe yes. So now I'm just using the accessory really chalk, but you see, I place it. The laser module can reach it, right? Yes. So that's why we need this accessory right now. You already see it.
Yes.
It's the foldable feet. So let us do the setting.
Take care.
Yes, make sure it won't. Oh, the cable.
Cable.
It's not firm enough. So yes, now it is firm. So you see, now it is lifted up. That is one accessory called the foldable feet. If you want one, you have to order this. It is not combined.
Make it this
Yeah,
higher.
maybe show on the Lightburn.
Make it higher. So maybe we're going to
Yeah.
use.
So here we make this machine higher so the laser module can reach the surface. And by the way, you have to order this as an extra accessory. It is not on the body of your Y accessory rotary. It is not combined on your Ultra Laser Master 3. And if you are interested, you can always ask ourselves. Now, once again, let us check the focus. Still it's the same. Let the rod touch the surface you're gonna do engrave on. Okay, see, it is perfect, and tighten the screw. Make sure this module won't fall off while engraving.
Okay.
Okay, I think it is okay now. So here I've already linked this, connect this cable, and now I just need to make it here. Okay, so here you see a switch here. There are two options. One is called the Y motor, another is called the YR.
Yes, we can use the small camera to lay on first. So after you connect the cable here, okay?
Yeah. Yes,
Here
here.
is the cable plug in, and don't forget to turn the switch here. As you can see, one model, because now it's one model, but we're going to use these accessories, right?
Yes.
So we have to turn this switch to this side.
Y.
Yes, right?
Yes. Now our machine will use this accessory instead of this Y
Yes.
arm. So here, let us check more. Let us change one picture, right? Shall we? Let us. I like this tree. Maybe we can. Oh, okay. Why not this? Is that okay? I think. Do you think it is? Which one is more beautiful?
I think maybe a round shape of the maybe better.
Okay, so still this tree. Okay, I think it is good.
Yeah, you can use the tree to do the test.
Oh, it's quite big, so I'm just small it. Okay, so, oh, Tina, we all forgot one important thing.
Yes, the setting and the.
And yes, let us teach our audience how to do the setting. So here, so if you want to use the Y accessory really check, not only, yes,
Please the.
larger the split camera.
Yes.
It's make.
Yeah, make this small camera, the picture, the small camera, make it bigger.
Yes. Now it is clear to see. Okay, now we've got this, and you see here. So now we're just gonna need to do some set. Okay, let me do some, adjust this camera to make sure you see it clearly. Okay, we just need to set this scene. Instead of link the cable, you also need to do some adjust to this software. First, you have to you send a message to our machine that is here. And we've already set this. You see here the YRC, and that's the that's the file we use. And click this YRC, and you see complete. So, and then let us open the rotary.
Okay. Have you mentioned the second?
Yeah, I haven't, but I will do that later. So you can also find it on the laser tool here. So you see, I just open it. Yes, maybe use maybe use this, it's more convenient. So the Lightburn can smartly change your longitude or the length of this thing. So I may just only measure the Okay, 80.
80.
Yes. Okay, you see, while I'm typing the 80, it will change the statistics smartly. And let's check, okay. And if you do not know whether your y-axis really check is okay or not, you can check this test. Oh, yes, this. Yeah, while we lifting this Ortur Master3, the power cable is loosened. So we just need to restart the machine. Okay, see here. Now it is go back. Okay, so let us do the test. You see here, while I'm just using this, and I check the test. You see, it spins really smoothly. So how to test it? You can make this angle on the top and see if it is spinning one circle. So I check test and find it. Okay, very perfect one circle. So test is okay. Let's go back. Okay, so you've done every setting here. 500, 100, and 1 pass, 0.1, very okay. And then we need to do the frame sync. So Elsa, would you please small the split camera?
So now
Yeah,
move this.
yeah, let us, our audience, only see this machine is okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm just doing the frame sync. Okay, where's my mouse? Here. Okay, let's move it to the right point. So I will just open the file here and to see the start point clearly.
I can see the start point here.
Okay, let's just check the
Frame
frame.
this one.
Okay, it's too big.
It got crushed on this.
Okay, so guys, you see one question is this little beam. It will spin, this spin will just move this module.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe we can check this picture to make it small, because we make this picture too big, it will spin more than one round. So we just slow it, maybe
From small to a little bit bigger to faster.
yes.
You find the best area, the best size you want to do engraving on. Okay, so now frame now it's
It's too small, but let's check the time. Okay, even though so that small, it still needs 35 minutes. So it
yeah,
will,
maybe smaller.
yeah. Yeah, let us
Or maybe
see.
you can change some other picture for with small lines, so we can make sure we can finish it in our line and let our friends know the details.
Yeah, it only needs few let us see. It only needs like 30 minutes. I think it's okay. So by the way, you have to change the angle. Okay, now it is okay, I think. Let me think. Yes, it's okay. You can see the preview on this thing here.
Right?
You can see the preview. So once again, check the frame.
Quite small ones.
Yes. Because we do not have such time, maybe we can only we just need to show how our machine works. And yes, I think it is okay. So everything down where the goggle and click start.
What the speed you're using for this?
500 though.
500.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now you see this while the laser module output laser beam, the y-axis rotary chuck will spin with the machine works.
this voice can hear like the fiber laser.
Yes, and by the way, I think it sounds really, how to say, it's kind of like some technology movie.
Yeah, maybe. But anyway, it hears like for me. Sometimes I will know some voice like for the fiber laser, and it will have this kind of the sounds.
Yes.
Like this one. But now it's working on this ceramic. I don't know why it will have this sounds also.
Yeah. Funny physical problems, maybe.
Okay, I'm watching the comment section here, and I think they are talking about the by themselves.
Wow.
Have charged with themselves.
Yes, thank you for your joining. And by the way, don't forget we still have one lucky draw. Would you please show the picture of the lucky draw on the other corner?
I think maybe it is time we can do the lucky draw now because our time is not too much here.
Yes.
So, how about you guys? I still here. What the keyword you want to use for today?
Let us see. Maybe for this week, let's use ceramic.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes, but I think it's a little bit hard to type. You can just use the simple words like YRR.
Okay, yes. Since we are using the YRR, maybe we can use the, yes, just type capital letter YRR. And yes, let me type this for you.
Yes. So if you are still watching our live, and we're going to do the lucky draw.
Okay, the keyword is YRR. You see here?
Yes, here. And the same order rules. I'm just using my iPhone, and to do the screenshot for this one, we will count 5 numbers, and after 5 numbers, we're going to use my iPhone to do the screenshot. If your name with the right keyword on the top line on my screenshot, that means you are the lucky winner to get this prize. And what the price for this lucky draw? And you will get 1 piece of the Y-axis rotary roller.
Yes.
This is the price what I'm holding on now. So if you want to get this prize, and you can just use your mobile phone and type in the keyword about YRR.
Yes. And I think it is not so much people here, and so it is really easy to get this.
Yes,
thing.
It's not too much people are watching online stream, so you just need to type in the keyword to the comment YRR.
And we will just catch the screenshot in 1 minute, and you can now keep typing, and
yes,
we will do it after 1 minute. Here now it is 10:18, so we will do this on 10:19. Okay, shall we?
I can see this one. Okay, yeah, it depends on you. I'm just to follow with you.
So we will start this on 10:19, and by the way, I will say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and while my partner Tina will catch a screenshot, the one on the top line will got this free YRR.
Yes, I will use this small camera to
let
our friends to see this one.
So now am I clear?
Yes, you can hear. Okay, so they are doing this one.
So, okay, now it is 10:19. So are you guys ready? So I am ready. So here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Capture.
Okay.
Okay, since it seems like we got this lucky one. So
yes,
the user called that will make. So congratulations, you got 1 free YRR 2.0, and send this message, send your address and other message to our official channel or your is that okay? So you can tell our audience how to send your address. So back to the Ultraleader Master3 itself, you see here. Okay, yes, can you see that? It already made some. Okay, the laser module is really hard to see that. So this angle is quite good. So you see, it's like on the right. It's like engraving on a black. That is because the y-axis will really check wheel spin with this.
Yes, right. Okay, it's working out. Congratulations for that we'll make here, and you're the lucky winner to get the prize. And I just copy right here for my email, or you have my Facebook or the messenger. You can just directly to chat with me to send me your delivery address or the contact information. Give to me, and I will arrange for this one. So thank you. Drawer is done trippers. Yeah, actually, at presently we are afraid it's not too much to watching our live stream, and as for every month we will have two
lucky draw.
Yes, two lucky draw. The middle of the month, the live, and the end of the month
live. So we know that right now there's no such audience here, but that's why we have this lucky draw. We want to invite you guys to know our product, to use our product, and share your experience using our product. So if you can send your using experience to us, that is okay. That we are so welcome that.
Yes, right.
Yeah, but if you do not, it is okay though. We hope you enjoy using our machine, and we hope you enjoying the process of engraving thing, because you see. While I'm doing this, the customized thing makes me really happy though.
Yes, right. Okay, so the chance for you can win the prize is quite big, right?
Yeah. So because we are the worker, or I want to type YR though. So it is not okay. So this is the gift.
Yes,
we will send you.
The gift you will get, and this is the demo in our live stream.
Yeah.
Of course, what do you get?
It's a whole box.
Yes, it's a whole box of this one, new one. Hope this will help you during the working. Do something like the photos or the marks or the glass here. How many it will still need now?
It still needs 5 minutes more. So I think it is okay.
Actually, for this, quite easy. We can do this for some different the shape of the things, right?
Yeah.
Because for this kind of laser machine, most people maybe would like to do something for like the flat things on the lever or something.
Yeah.
But during the rarely working, because for our laser machine, as well, we recommend for our the hobby use and like for small business use. Just like the daddy will make, I think maybe he's making something for his business or for her family, for his daughter or son. So it's quite things you can do for this a lot of things, right?
Yeah, we still maybe there's one week we are using this to prepare for some maybe gifts. If you think, oh, I don't know what to send my friends, my mom, my sister, my brother.
Yes.
Okay, a customized gift won't go wrong.
Yeah, and also recently we are collecting some the audience, the voice, or some our friends users the voice, because we want to test on different material, and we are planning for one live, and we're going to try for different the plastic, like the ABS and the PP material and the PE material, and what like the foam or some the setting for some or rubber. This all about the plastic, but actually this is the voice we collect from our users or some other client. He or she wants us to test for them to let them know for the laser machine it can do or not for these materials. We are planning to do this kind of live, but even though we do test on the live, actually we are not strongly recommending you to do engraving or cutting for such kind of the plastic, because for this laser machine, we are going to use the high temperature.
Yes, kind of like burn these things.
Yes.
So we know plastic will cause bad smell while doing while burnt.
Yes, and this kind of the smell is not good for your body, for your house. So maybe it can working on the plastic, but from this side, I'm not recommending you to do this. Otherwise, you have the like the air purifier or something to help you to do this together. Otherwise,
it's kind
yes.
of harmful. So take care of yourself. But
Yes.
if you really need to do such thing, we suggest you to place our machine.
Yeah,
or place our your
protection
workplace.
mask.
Yeah, protection mask or on an open place, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Or on open area and with the fine or some like the airflow, right?
Yeah, to let it flow away to make this harm thing to the least.
Yes. So if you're interested for this one, you can looking forward for this live also, right? We're
Yes.
gonna do this. And if during that live, we of course we need to wearing the mask
Yes.
to protect ourselves. If we're gonna to do such kind of the test on the plastic, no matter the PVC, ABS, or PP, or some
Other
plastic.
every kind of material that is plastic. So if you're interested, you can just subscribe our channel and waiting for the live stream.
Yes.
We will send the preview maybe this in this weeks, but I think the preparation is done, right?
Yes.
So if you're interested, keep watching, and maybe we will have a video.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe.
Such kind of actually my phone case is also the plastic also. Maybe I can use my phone case to do the tester, use it for you also.
Yeah, I think most of the phone case maybe is plastic, but mine is transparent one, so maybe it is hard to do the engraving thing, but we will try, right?
Yes. Okay, this here almost done. Just maybe I think one or 2 minutes we'll finish this one.
1.5 minutes, so it's quite fast.
Yes, and next time maybe we not only can try the black color and some orange color, yellow color, maybe other color. It can wait for good also.
And for the ceramic, not only engrave on the surface, you can always do some art.
Our friend is protect your lungs. Actually, we already buy that kind of the mask. Let me show this one. And if we do that kind of the test, and we're going to wear such kind of the lungs for that one. Okay. Here, this is actually is for protection, the special mask. If we're going to try this kind of the test here, and after you get on, it will be, it will be look like this. It can looks kind of the wear like this one.
It's like we're in the movie.
Yes.
So except doing direct engraving thing, we can also use ceramic to do some art output. So you see here, my partner made this really beautiful ceramic art.
Yes.
Yeah. Tina, would you please introduce to our audience how you make this?
Actually, the original ceramic tile is white, and I just used 3 layers of the color screen to get on the surface. First layer is the yellow color, and the mid layer is the red color, and the last layer on the surface is the black color.
Wow.
So then we choose the picture to engrave it on. It will be looks like this one.
Yes, that is really beautiful. And our y-axis really check finished work really successfully. And I think we can show this to our audience. Now you only need to loosen the screw and wow, really good.
Yes, okay.
Let our
you can use
maybe
camera.
use this split camera though.
And Elsa, let me hold this.
Yes, would you please larger the split camera? Okay, larger. Yes.
Make it bigger. Yes, right. And yes.
So here you see, because we do not have so much time for today's live, so we only made this little small thing. But just imagine if it larger as double, it will look really nice. You see?
Yes. And I think other color will be better, like the original color, the mug, because we have some different color of the mug, right? Maybe you can try to own the different color.
Yes, we got this orange one and this yellow one. Maybe we will try on this.
Yes.
And so I think this is really perfect though.
Okay, it's great test.
Yes.
Okay, nice, great, excellent.
Okay, go back to our Elsa, yes. Yes, now you can. Yes, very good. Thank you. So I think for today's live stream, we really did a good test on different kind of ceramics. Still, there are so many other materials we haven't tested or know. Maybe you are more professional. So if you got this need, let us know. We will test this for you. And once again, welcome you guys to our live stream. Thank you for your today's warm discussion. Yes, so I am Paul and
I'm Tina
yes,
here.
nice to see you guys, and we will see you next week.
Bye. See you next week.